Ben je aan het film? Oh, ik zag het niet. Yo guys, what's going on? My name is Advanced Flipping Panda and I'm here to unbox a product, Playmobil Ghostbusters. This is the Stay Puft version and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. It's totally new as you can see. So this is in the box. This is the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man and this is Dr. Venkman, I suppose. Oh, it's Stantz. I don't know who Stantz is. It's totally new. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. Check it out if it works. Is it focusing? There is the open. Here we go. Fucking stupid verpakking. Okay, fuck it. La, 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 la. Okay, well, it's not a clean opening, but hello, Mr. Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. And there we go, we got some Playmobil. Now it's totally empty. And here we go, we got Mr. Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. You can open him here. Open up. This is the Stay Puft. There's something inside him. Oh, okay. So this is the thing from the movie, Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. And here we got a bag with stains in it, stamps in it. I don't know how you. Oh. Oh, here's it. Yay! I got him. Okay, so we got a Playmobil booklet. It's not the manual, it's all products. And okay, so these are all pieces of it. Okay, so here we have Stantz, Playmobil. I never heard of Stantz, but okay. I'm bigger than you. Okay, so these are all pieces of Stantz. These are all the, I don't know, pieces of it. So this is the weapon you're gonna destroy the stains, the Stay Puft with. And let's see, how do you do this? Okay, so this is the guy. This one is already complete. Don't you just love these things? This needs to be in here maybe. Check it out. Okay, yep. I got it right. And then there is this thing. This needs to be here. There you go, it clicks. Oh, okay, and then there you can put the weapon in, like this thing. Yep, there we go. Is this the right way? No, it's not. It's supposed to be this way. And the ray should be here. Okay, and we got a helmet for this guy. We got another helmet, so this needs to be on his head. Like this. Weird helmet. And then we have this thing. Oh, this is the protector for his eyes, for the ray, for the beam ray. And it's not supposed. Okay, so it's not on his eyes, I think. Yeah, it goes above his head, like this. And then if you want to use the weapon, oh, sorry. And check it out, how to use the weapon. Oh, no. Gonna go. Oh, sorry. That's not supposed to do this. So you can unlock this one. There you go. Just like a case. Like a backpack. So he has the backpack with the weapon. And here you go. This goes on his hand like this. Click. It clicks, and then you got the ray. There's not even a manual with it, and I already know how to do this. And now he can also sit and kill the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man, or stand and kill the Marshmallow Man. I'm gonna kill you! Yeah, 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 yeah. Childish. Hi! So guys, this was my unboxing of the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man from Ghostbusters Playmobil. Hope you liked the review of it. I did it for the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man, and I didn't know it was from Playmobil, but yeah, very cool thing. Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. Nothing is, yeah, it's totally one piece, so you cannot do anything with it, and you can just destroy him with the ray. But yeah, I'm gonna show this up as a display piece on the vitrine, on the showcase closet there. Yeah, there. I'm not filming, by the way. Somebody else is filming. So guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you like this unboxing. And if you want me to do more of these unboxings, just let me know in the comments. And also drop a like on the video and subscribe if you want to see more. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next review. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.